Hello friends, welcome to GSSK channel. In this video, we are going to see about app which is a perfect replacement for whiteboard in online classes. Yes, we do have so many apps for whiteboard, but it has lot of disadvantages. For the past 1 week, I am installing and using lot of apps for whiteboard. The common disadvantages I found was it will be providing only one page of thing, which is not enough to solve a huge problem. You cannot able to create new pages. The UI will not be so much interactive, or it may take so many time to execute. It may not be able to save your progress, so and so. But this app is going to have all of its features more than what you are expecting, because it's from Google. So whenever a Google is giving a product, it will be one step higher than its competitor. So without any delay, let's get into the video and check how can be done.
Please do subscribe for our channel and click the bell icon and get notified for every new videos.
The app name is Jamboard, product by Google. It has two versions, desktop and your app, which can be used in your mobile also. In desktop, you have to type the URL like jamboard.google.com. So if you want mobile version, go to Play Store, search Jamboard app, and you can install it from your Play Store also. Just you need to log in using your Gmail ID, whether it is a desktop version or whether you are using in your mobile. So personally, I suggest you to use this app in mobile phone. Why? Because we all don't have a touchscreen laptop. If you have a touchscreen laptop, it is well and good. We can easily write in your screen. We can't easily write anything using our mouse or keypad. So I suggest you to use a mobile app. In this video, I will be explaining both mobile app and the desktop version. You'll have some extra features in your laptop, but it's more than enough in using in your mobile phone itself. So let's check first the mobile version. Later I will tell you the extra features available in the laptop. This is I have installed already the Jamboard app in my mobile, so I'm opening it now. So whenever you are opening, your previously saved Jamboards will be auto saved. If you want, you can create a new one. Whenever you are using the for first time, you need to log in, or you have to select the Gmail ID. So your first board is there. So always you can able to zoom in and zoom out using swipe option with two fingers. And this is the pen, it is already selected, and you can always able to draw or scribble something. And if you want, you can able to change the thickness of the pen or the style of the pen, and if you want, you can also able to change the color of it. So below that you are having assistive drawing tools. So it's always very good to see these kind of extra features by Google. So when you choose this text options, so whatever you are writing, it will be converted into a good text format, so that if you are having a very bad handwriting, you can able to use this option to convert into a beautiful looking font. Okay, so this is very good feature, not available in any other software. And also the second option, so if you want to draw any circle or squares, we will be drawing with like this. Okay, so it will be converted into a perfect circle all by its own. So whenever you are drawing some squares, it will be converted to a perfect square or polygon shapes. So this is very good feature, it's not available in any other app. And if this page is over, and if you want to create a new page, just click this right side arrow, a new page will be created. So n number of pages you can able to create, and if you click this center collage button, you can able to see whatever the pages in it. And if you want to add a new page at the end or the start or in between, you can always click the plus button to create a new board or anywhere or anytime. Then the second option here is the eraser button. So as you all know that we can able to erase anything. And if you want to move object, okay, you can always click this arrow. This is again a new feature, it's not available in any other whiteboard app. So if you are writing something, it cannot be moved from that place, but in this app, click this arrow mark and you can click and move the objects which are all created before. And if you want to move more than one objects At the same time, click this arrow mark, you draw a circle where every object is coming in within the circle, and you can move as a whole. Okay, so it's also a new feature, it's not available in any other app. So if you want to insert any notes, so click the sticky notes, type whatever you want. You can choose your background colors and click the tick button, so your notes will be inserted, and you can always drag and drop or rotate it, and you can make a duplicate, you can edit or delete options is available right there. And you can also attach content from Drive, or you can take a camera, open your camera and shoot a picture on the go, or from the image library you can choose images from your mobile phones. And one more thing is, if you are explaining something, you will be using a laser pen like that. So here also there is an option like this fourth option. So if you want to explain something, on if you want to highlight, so just scribble somewhere and within 2 seconds it will be hidden. So it is also a cool feature, it's not available in any other app. So to highlight or something, or to point out something, this can be used very well. And that's not the end, and if you want to share this as a PDF, if you have more than one pages, click this 3 dots, you can share this board as a PDF, or you can share this single frame, you can store it as an image, you can add people to collaborate, so that they can also able to edit or view this in their mobile phone if they are using the same app. And if you are clicking back, this board will be automatically saved, no need to save this content. Okay, and if I am logging it in desktop using this same Gmail ID, everything will be synced, no need to save it, everything is automatic. And also, like similar to Google Classroom, here also you may create a code for each and every boards, you can collaborate like Google Classroom. But I suggest you to if you are using Google Meet, just start the screen share, open this app, and you can easily use this as a whiteboard. And if you feel using fingers is not very good, you can always use an earbud as a stylus. You can watch my another video, so how to use the earbud as a stylus. I provided the link in the description and also in the card above the screen also. So this is how your desktop version looks like when you create for the first time. Okay, you have to click the plus icon and create a new one. And if you have already created something, or if you have any mobile version, it will be synced together, so you will be have the already created boards in it, so you can go and edit, or you can able to create a new one. Okay, so whatever options you have seen in your mobile, everything will be there. The only difference here is you can able to draw more pictures than square and circle. So in mobile version you will be having only square and circle, so here some predefined shapes are there, so you can use. And one more feature is, when you click the add image in mobile phone, you cannot able to search in Google, only you can able to upload the photos in your mobile, or you can take the picture, or you can upload from Drive. But here, when you can directly search image from here, and you can add it to your boards. So in this way, direct Google search, click the icon or any image, and you can add it to your board. So these are all the 2 features you are getting using desktop version. So other things you will be having the same as usual you are using in the mobile phone. Okay. Also, you can able to share with anyone, like sharing your Google Drive or file in a Google Drive. You can create a link to share, or you can add collaborators who can able to edit these. So that's it for today. And one final thing to be added is, we are using plugins for taking attendance in Google Meet, and for this online board we have to use this Jamboard as another app. You can use Google Meet, you can host the meeting in the Google Meet, you can install the plugin for taking attendance, and also in another tab, screen share it, you can use the Jamboard in the laptop, or join as another user using your mobile phone and use the Jamboard in the mobile. In future, Google announced that they are going to integrate all these things together to make ease of use for our education, like options available in the Zoom Meet, that is hand raising, attendance, taking attendance in Google Meet itself, breakout rooms, polling question answers, and they also told this Jamboard will also be collaborated with the Google Meet in the future. Thank you. And if you like this video, please share with your friends, ask them to subscribe, click the bell icon. Thank you.